Welcome to my channel Let's Learn. Today in this video I would like to show you how to install CentOS on Oracle VirtualBox. Before we move ahead, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Go to your favorite browser and search for CentOS. Click on centos.org. Then click on Download. CentOS Stream. Under CentOS Stream 9, you can see it for architecture 64-bit. Click here and it will start download. Save it on your download folder. Once the download is completed, you can copy and paste it under your virtual machine folder. Now go to Oracle VirtualBox. Click on Tools and then click on New. Under the name, give it as CentOS. Click the folder where you want to create a new virtual machine for CentOS. I will go for D drives, virtual machine, and I will create a CentOS folder here. After that, I will select the folder. Then on the type, you can see it is already recommended as Linux and the version is 64-bit Red Hat. Now I have to choose ISO image, my downloaded CentOS file. I will select it, then click. After that, I have to click on Skip Unattended Installation because I want to install CentOS on step-by-step process. The minimum requirement of RAM for CentOS is 2 GB. You may choose to have 2 CPUs. Click Next. Then create a virtual hard disk now. Here you can give it 40 GB or minimum 20 GB. Then click Next. You can visualize the informations and click Finish. Now we can start CentOS. Now the VirtualBox will start the process of installation. Here, once you click on the virtual machine, it will capture your mouse. Click on Install CentOS Stream 9. Then click Enter. If you want to exit this virtual machine, you can press right Control key. Now you are on welcome screen to select the language. I will click Continue. I have already selected the keyboard as English. Installation source is already selected. Now let me select installation destination. I will choose my 40 GB hard disk that I have created. I will click Done. But it is saying no disk selected. Let me go back here again. I have to make sure there is a tick mark. Then I will click Done. Now the automatic partition is selected and the destination is ready. I will check on software selection. Here by default it is selected as server with GUI. Further, we can choose on network and host name and make sure the network is connected. Ethernet connection is enabled because in case if it is necessary to download any installation file, it has to be downloaded from the internet. There is no security profile at the moment. Now I have to go for root password, then keep the root password. Confirm it. I would like to allow root SSH login with password, so I will click on it. Then I will click done. As the password is too short, then I have to click it twice. Now I'll click on begin installation. The installation process is started. Let's wait for some moment. I will pause my video and I will come back once the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, I have to reboot the system. Now CentOS will be booting. Click on Start Setup. Click Next. I can skip this process. Now I have to create the user ID for CentOS to log in. I am giving the full name and username here. Then I will click Next. On the next page, I have to provide it a password and confirm it. Then I can click Start using CentOS. No thanks. Then I am already inside the CentOS and I can start using it. This is how we can download the CentOS and install it on Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.